दोस्तों, मैं हूँ नैनीताल में और ये आइकॉनिक नैनी लेक जितना सोचा था उससे भी ज्यादा खूबसूरत।
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a mind-blowing AI tool that literally feels like the future. Yes, I'm talking about Google Veo 3. A lot of you may have already heard about it, but many people are still confused about how to actually use it in any country. Some are facing issues while trying to access it. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can use Google Veo 3 completely free and unlimited. Is it really possible? Let's find out. So guys, Google recently launched an advanced text-to-video AI called Veo 3. If you've been on the internet lately, you've probably seen these kinds of videos going viral everywhere. People are literally monetizing their YouTube channels within a week just by generating videos like this, using AI and getting lakhs of views and some solid revenue. And yes, you can totally ride this trend too, and grow your channel quickly using Google's cutting-edge AI tools. This tool is so advanced that you can type anything, and it'll generate a super realistic, high-quality video for you. Like seriously, it looks so real that you can't even tell if it's AI generated or an actual footage. It gives you 1080p cinematic quality video, drone shots, cinematic camera angles, basically everything you can imagine in a professional video. Alright, now let's get into the steps on how you can use this completely free in India and any other countries. First, open your Chrome browser and type Google One. You'll see the official website at the top. Click on that. Scroll down a bit and click on See All Plans. Look for the plan that includes Google AI Premium. This includes access to Google Veo 3. It's free for the first month, and after that it costs Rs 1950 Indian rupees month. But don't worry, I'll show you how to keep using it for free. Click on the Start Trial option. You'll see something like Rs0 for first month, then Rs 950 month. Then click on Continue and again click on Continue. Now you can see different payment methods on screen like Add Card, Redeem Code, and Pay with UPI. If you're on the other countries, then you can go to Cards and fill the details of your Visa card or MasterCard or any other card. But if you are in India, you can add a UPI or PhonePe payment method. You'll be asked to set up auto pay. A small amount like Rs2 will be deducted, but Google will refund it within an hour or two. It's just to verify your account. Once done, your subscription is active, and Google Veo 3 will show Pro Access. Now, Veo 3 currently works best if you're connected via a US server. So download a VPN appy and choose server of USA. Then, open Google and search Google Veo 3. Click on the option that says AI Video Generator powered by Veo 3. Hit Try Veo 3. You'll now see Pro Access on your account. If not, the subscription wasn't activated properly.
Now go to ChatGPT and get a prompt for your video. I have already prepared prompt. I just copy and paste the prompt into Veo 3 and now your video will start generating. It may take a few minutes, and remember you can generate 3 videos per day. If the video fails the first time due to server load, don't worry. Just retry and it'll work. Once your video is ready, it'll be in HD cinematic quality. To get it monetized on YouTube, add your own voiceover. Don't use AI voices if you want your video to get monetized properly. Record your own voice, it gives better chances. To prevent being charged after trial gets finished after 1 month, you have to open PhonePe. Go to your profile and tap on Manage Payments. Click on AutoPay. Select the Google subscription. Click Delete AutoPay. Confirm it with your UPI PIN. Now you're safe. Your trial is active, but you won't be charged next month. After your 1-month trial ends, just create a new Google account. Repeat the same steps above. You can keep using it free with different accounts. Just use responsibly and ethically. And that's it, guys! That's the complete process of using Google Veo 3 in any country for free and generating high-quality cinematic AI videos. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions or issues in the comments. Catch you in the next interesting and informative video.
Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Lots of love!